So two different hormone balances that we can do is if you take your right hand, put it on top of your forehead and spread out the fingers. Take your left hand and intermingle the fingers here. This is much easier to do laying down than standing up because your arms will eventually get tired. But take a couple of breaths in and maybe 2 minutes of this will be enough. You'll know when it's time. But that's one move. Another move you can do would be take your right hand and place it on top of your head, and then your left hand goes right where your tailbone would be. And this also is easier to do in bed or sitting down. But your hand, if this hand is uncomfortable like this, you can always flip it like this. So either this way or this way, it doesn't matter. Whichever one feels good to you, that's the one that you use. So this will also help bring harmony to your hormones. So those are two different moves that you can do unlimited times during the day to help balance your hormones. So if you think that you're starting to have a hot flash, then definitely do that. And also know that holding the left outer knee here helps cool the body. The right hand on the right knee warms the body. So depending on what kind of temperature that you have, you can do that. If you want to hold both of them at the same time, that's fine too. Just kind of get to know what your body likes and what feels right for you. So we'll see you later.